Hi guys, I am Rajendra. You are watching Bharat Quality Guru. Today's topic is control plan. We all aware about that production part approval process. Control plan is one of the important document in that PPAP. So let's start about the control plan. So control plan, it is from AIG, Automotive Industry Action Group. So in control plan there is types. There is a prototype control plan, there is a pre-launch control plan, there is a production control plan. So after that, in heading there is a control plan number. Control plan number, it is a identification of that product and that control plan. After that, there is a part number or latest change level. So part number, it is important for because of control plan is made of a product or a part. After that, there is a part name. Part name, it is a product name or part name. After that, there is an important point as organization plan name. So write your organization plan name in that column. After that, there is a key contact persons. So the key contact person is mainly from quality department or PE department. After that, there is a CFT team. We all know that CFT means cross-functional team. So in cross-functional team, there is a production department, quality department, design department, PE department, dispatch department, maintenance department. So all the team are get together and make a control plan. After that, organization approval date. After that, other approval. Next, plant code. Plant code are given by mainly customer. Next, we are customer engineer approval date. So customer engineering approval date is mainly related to design and drawing. Next, customer quality approval. After PPAP or before submission of PPAP, we make control plan and given the customer quality approval date. So let us start from sub point of control plan. First point is part/process number. First point, part/process number. Next, process name or operation description. Next point, there is a number. Next point, characteristic. In characteristic, there is a two type of characteristic. One is the product characteristic, another is the process characteristic. After that, next, special characteristic. So in special characteristic, the symbol given in drawing is mentioned in that special characteristic. Next, product/process specification. So in product/process specification, the details of drawing or process parameter are mentioned in that column. After that, evaluation/measurement technique. Evaluation/measurement technique, it includes that instrument which is used for the checking the parameter or checking the specification. After that, next, sample size. So choose a perfect sample size as per our sampling plan. Next, sample frequency. So choose the sample frequency. Next, control method. In that control method, we are using the controls that will be used for the product and process characteristic that will be required as per specification. So control method, it is a very important. After that, next, reaction plan. In reaction plan is clearly mentioned that after if any incidents happen or any non-conformance found, then what to do, that will be mentioned in reaction plan. So we are starting one example of control plan that will be elaborate that how the control plan will be made. So there is a first point, part or process number. There is a process number 10. So you can use any process number that you require, but one thing remember that this process number came from process flow diagram. So match process flow diagram number with control plan number. Next, process name, operation name. We taking one example that cutting of wires. It is from wiring harness example. In wiring harness, we require some length of wire for making a wiring harness. After that number, this number is mentioned that part process number, and that number there is a 10.1 example. Here is a 10 number and here is a 10.1. After that there is a product characteristic. In any wiring harness or any wire, when cutting is required, there is a length. It is a very important because length is a product characteristic. After that, process, because for cutting we require a machine. It is called cutting machine. So cutting machine, there is a air pressure, that is the very important part in machine. So that part will affect on length. After, next, special characteristic. So if this is a special characteristic, mention a symbol like that or triangle as per your drawing, mention in drawing. So after special characteristic, product or process specification. So when product length, we are mentioned that we require 180 plus minus 5 mm length. So that length will be mentioned in product and process specification. After that, in process specification, there is a air pressure. So we require machine air pressure. We all know that air pressure is measured in bar. So air pressure mentioned 3 to 5 bar. If air pressure in 3 to 5 bar, that the length will be not tolerate. So, or not variation in length. So mention 3 to 5 bar for air pressure. After that, evaluation and measurement technique. So when we want to check a length, we require a scale or measuring tape. So we mention scale because 180 is small dimension. If we require 10,000, then use measuring tapes or as appropriate equipment. After that, air pressure. So pressure is show the air pressure. So air pressure is mentioned in the measurement technique. After that, next, sample size. So when we produce a wire as per length, then check first 5 number pieces, because we are not check 100%. If first 5 pieces are okay, then lot will be okay, and we check last piece also, first 5 piece or last piece. So mention that sample size in sample size column. After that, pressure gauge check at the start of shift. So next, sample frequency. So how sample frequency? It will be depend on every lot or 100 number or 1000 number as per our sampling process, decided as per sampling plan. So we are shown every lot. After that, next process is control method. In control method, there is a first and last piece in inspection. This record will be maintained, first piece and last piece in inspection. So, and we are put that part till the process is end. So shift is end. So due to this, if any variance found in between process, we will check first piece and last piece on that process, so we can control that process. Next, reaction plan. So if any defect found, what to do, that is the very important. So control plan mentioned that reaction plan is very important. If operator found any variance or any defect, then inform that operator will inform to his superior or his supervisor, and after supervisor will be rework or stop the machine, and then he will be recheck and rework or change the setting, and after setting quality will be come, and again quality will be take first piece, and after that if first piece is found okay, then the process will be again start. So reaction plan. So guys, you are learn important things. So I am thankful to all of you that we are taking important. So please see that video and give your comments on that video, and if you have any query you will be write in comments. So thank you all of you, have a great day.